Do you spend hours scrolling Instagram and TikTok, looking at motivational quotes, funny lines, or relatable life advice? Well, what if you could actually get paid for posting those same types of quotes? That's right. There's an entire world of quote pages on Instagram and TikTok making serious money. And the best part? You don't need to show your face, you don't need to speak, and you don't need expensive equipment. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how you can make money posting quotes on Instagram and TikTok, even if you're starting completely from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your quote page, what types of quotes go viral, where to get content legally, how to make professional-looking posts for free, and most importantly, how to actually make money from it. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why quote pages work so well. Think about it. Quotes are quick, relatable, and easy to consume. Whether it's a motivational quote that inspires someone, a funny quote that makes people laugh, or a savage quote people use to show their attitude, these short pieces of content are highly shareable. That's why quote pages are some of the fastest growing pages on TikTok and Instagram. People love to share quotes on their stories, save them, tag friends, and that naturally helps these pages go viral without spending a single dollar on ads. So how can you get in on this? Step 1. Pick your niche. Not all quote pages are the same. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to post random quotes without focus. You need to pick a clear theme so your audience knows what to expect. Here are a few popular niches you can pick from. Motivational quotes. Think success, hustle, business mindset. Self-love and mental health quotes. Positive affirmations, self-care reminders. Funny and relatable quotes. Humorous takes on everyday life. Relationship quotes. Love, heartbreak, dating advice. Money quotes. Wealth mindset, financial success, passive income tips. Fitness and gym quotes. Discipline, grind, healthy habits. Pick one category. Stick to it, and build an audience around that identity. For example, if you go with motivational quotes, you'll attract people who are interested in personal growth and business. That means later on, you can easily monetize through things like digital products or affiliate programs focused on self-development. Step 2. Create your page. Whether you start on Instagram, TikTok, or both, you'll need a clean, professional-looking page. On Instagram, create a business account. Add a short bio explaining what you post. Something like daily motivation, level up your mindset, DM for collaborations. For TikTok, use a similar name and bio. The key is to keep it clean and niche specific so people immediately understand what your page is about. Step 3. Start creating quote content. This is where most people get stuck. But it's actually easier than you think, especially with free tools. The easiest method is to use Canva, a free design website. You can search Instagram quotes or TikTok quote video inside Canva, and you'll get dozens of free templates. Pick a style that matches your brand. Maybe it's a clean white background with black text, or maybe it's bold, colorful designs. Keep these tips in mind. Use large, readable fonts because people scroll quickly. Stick to high contrast colors so the text pops. Brand your posts with a tiny username watermark in the corner, so if they go viral, people can trace them back to you. Step 4. Where to get quotes legally. A common question is, can I just Google quotes and copy-paste them? The answer is mostly yes. Most motivational quotes are public domain, especially when they come from old philosophers or anonymous sources. Quotes from famous people are generally fine as long as you credit the author. For best results, you can search public domain quotes on Google. Follow Reddit communities like r/quotes. Use free quote apps like Motivation App for ideas. Or write your own original thoughts. This can help you stand out long-term. Step 5. Post consistently and follow trends. Consistency is key with any social media growth. Start by posting 2 to 3 times per day on Instagram and TikTok. Use trending audios on TikTok to increase the chances of your videos being pushed to the For You page. On Instagram, use a mix of regular posts, reels, and stories to keep your page active. When your post hits the right emotion, whether it's motivation, laughter, or relatability, it gets shared, saved, and pushed by the algorithm. Now, let's get to the most exciting part. How do you make money from this? There are several ways to monetize quote pages, even with 0 followers when you start. Method 1. Brand deals and shoutouts. Once you have around 5,000 to 10,000 followers, you can start charging for shoutouts. Small brands love advertising on motivational or niche quote pages because it's cheaper than influencer marketing. You can promote ebooks, courses, fitness products, or coaching services. For example, $10 per shoutout at 5,000 followers, $50 per post at 20,000 followers. Some pages make $200 per post when they hit 100,000. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. This is where the real passive income comes in. As your audience grows, you can promote affiliate products like ebooks, online courses, financial tools, or digital planners. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Post a motivational quote, and in the caption, write something like, "Want to learn how I made $100 a day from home? Link in bio." Method 3. Selling digital products. Once you build authority, you can easily sell simple digital products. Examples include printable motivational quote packs, phone wallpapers, mini self-improvement guides, Notion templates for goal tracking. You create them once and sell forever using platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Method 4. YouTube channel cross-promotion. Once your Instagram and TikTok grow, you can convert that traffic into YouTube subscribers. Start a faceless YouTube channel using the same quotes, turn them into shorts or compilations, and unlock YouTube monetization. That's what many creators do to earn multiple income streams from the same content. Let's quickly recap your action plan. Pick your niche. Create your Instagram and TikTok accounts. Use Canva to make high-quality quote posts. Post daily with trending audios. Start monetizing through shoutouts, affiliate links, digital products, YouTube Shorts, or even flipping the page. So, are you ready to turn your scrolling habit into a side hustle? Start your quote page today. Be consistent, follow the steps we covered, and you could be making your first $100, $500, or even $1,000 per month much faster than you think. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more easy side hustles, passive income guides, and social media tips. I'll see you in the next video.